Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can elevate your image quality in a CapCut PC. So in here, I've already add an image to my CapCut PC, and to improve the quality of this image, you can just click on the image that you add into CapCut, and under the basic tab in here, if you scroll down, you'll find there is an option to enable the image enhancement. So just click on this to turn on, and then to enhance the quality of image, you agree to upload the selected image to the CapCut server. And for the process, when it's done, the you can just click on allow. Okay, now it's processing, and you can just wait until CapCut do its magic. Okay, so now the image enhancement has been completed, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.